Hey, what's up guys? It's Hoagie here, back again with another Norden video. This one is just for the comparison between the OEM exhaust system, the Aero Midpipe with the OEM muffler, and then the Aero Midpipe with the Akrapovic Muffler. So let's not waste any time, let's get right into it. Okay, first up is the OEM or stock Husqvarna parts, the OEM muffler and OEM midpipe. Second comparison, we're going to have the Aero Midpipe with the OEM muffler. The third and final comparison is the Aero Midpipe with the Akrapovic Muffler. Alright, that's it. Hopefully that really helps for all the guys who want to do the cat delete, but still use the OEM muffler. Some people don't want to spend the $800 or $900 on the Akrapovic muffler, or they actually like the OEM muffler look better. If you guys think the video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. Thanks guys. See you next time.